Yes, sir.
Right. Akona, are you here, Akona?
Which one, sir?
Akona, can I check your work?
Which one?
Yeah, would you tell me?
Not me, sir. Don't worry.
First one or second one? Hello, first one or second one?
Neither are mine, sir.
Oh, that's not yours. Okay. Did you? Which one? Do you have? Did you submit?
My online GDP has an error, sir.
What's the error?
When I go to classrooms, the assignment doesn't show.
Why? Can you share your screen?
Don't think I know how to, but I can try.
Okay, try. That's what you're here to do. You came to learn. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Emin Tooley, have I answered your question? You may lower your hand. M in Lobo. Question. Go ahead with your question. Hello, M in Lobo. M and Lobo, go ahead with your question. Okay, no more questions.
So please, can you mark my work?
Right. A. Right. Okay, let's mark your work.
No, it's Vuyo.
Oh, Vuyo. Okay, let me just open it up, Vuyo. 1 second, Vuyo. Vuyo, what number are you?
I think I'm down there. Number 32, I think.
Right, 31. Okay. Right, let me see Vuyo's work. Vuyo input. Please enter your number 1. Please enter number 2. Minimum. This is lovely, Vuyo. Let me run it, but let me run it. Let me run Vuyo's work. Oh, Vuyo. Yay! Lovely, Vuyo. Well done, Vuyo. Give him a clap. Give him a clap. Well done, well done. Right, Vuyo, I just wanted, can you see over here, Vuyo, the minimum of 250 and 100. I got to just help you to make it look even more pretty, okay, Vuyo? You don't mind me just showing you 1 or 2 things there, Vuyo?
No, I don't mind, sir.
Yeah, because that's my job. I'm supposed to teach you, right? I want some spaces in between this, right? Vuyo?
Yes, sir.
Right, so let's put some space there. Let's put a space there, okay, Vuyo?
Okay, sir.
Let's put a space, right? I like some spaces in between, I like spaces. Vuyo, you need to put a space over there, right? The minimum of, I want a space in between there. Okay? Okay,
Okay, sir, I'll
Vuyo?
put it.
Right. Who else wants me to mark your work?
Number 24.
Number 24, Tandol Wetu. Let me check it out. Check it out. This looks nice too. Let's run it out. Yay, lovely, lovely. You too, Tandal Wetu. You didn't put in a space there, right? Give him a clap, everybody. Come on, give him a clap. Yeah, good. Right. Right, well done. Number?
Number 3.
Number 14.
Number 3, Amashe. Yeah, this looks nice. This looks nice. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Guess what? You'll understand how to do programming, right? Or the way I'm teaching you. Don't you feel nice? Don't you feel like you like programming? Don't you feel? Don't you feel? Don't you feel? Huh? Hello? Right. Okay, let's go on. I'm so happy y'all know how to do it. So let's start. Let's go to the next point now, right? Mute your mic, please, everyone. Mute your mic, mute your mic. Right. Now that we've done that, let's go back to W3 schools. Let's go and find another maths function that we need to work on, right? Let me just close that. I don't need that. Oh, I need my WhatsApp. Which other lecturer says keep your WhatsApp on in class? I don't know which other lecturer will allow you to do that. I need that. Do I need that? No, I don't need that. Do I need that? No, I don't need that. No, don't need that. Do I need that? Do I need that? I'm just going to stop sharing for a split second, right? I just want to clear up some. Share my screen, right. So I sorted this question out. Right. www.w3schools.com. Perfect. So I want to learn if there's any other maths functions that I could use, right? And I'm going to test you on. So let me go back to my maths functions. What are the math? There's a maximum and minimum. Yes. There's a square root, SQRT. Ooh, I like this one. Samuel, you with me?
Yes,
Samuel.
sir.
Right, Samuel. Keep your mic on, Samuel. You got
Yes,
a strong connection at home. You got fiber.
Yes, sir.
Right, that's why you got a strong. Right, I'm going to use you for your fiber. Okay, so Manuel, there's a function called square root, SQRT of 64. So I want to use this function to find the square root of a number. Okay, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now let's go back to my code blocks. Let me go back to code blocks. Let me just change the settings a little bit. So I want to find the square root of a number. Lucky you studied maths at school. You know what is square root. I hope. Matt, that was a joke, Samuel. Samuel, that was a joke.
Yes, sir.
You're not laughing, Samuel. Oh, you're laughing now. Okay, good. Right. Okay, so Samuel, this time I want to input. How many numbers, Samuel, I want to input? One number.
One.
Let's call the number Samuel. Ha, how's that, Samuel? Is that a number, Samuel?
No, sir.
Samuel, that was also a joke, Samuel.
Reacting, sir.
I want you to use the SQRT function to find the SQUART square root of Samuel.
Yes, sir.
What's the, how do you think about this? What's, if I use the square root math function to find the square root of Samuel? Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Ah, man, Samuel. You're only saying yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there you see, he said yes, sir, again. Marjurel, you wouldn't be Marjurel? Marjurel. Ashley,
Yes, sir.
are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Marjurel, talk to me, Marjurel. Input one number. Let's call the number Samuel. Marjurel,
Sir.
please enter in a number. What are we calling the number, Marjurel?
Sir, number one.
Not number one, man. Read the question.
Input now.
Samuel, what are we going to call the number?
Samuel, sir.
Yes, you are now a variable. Okay, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
This is a concept of a variable. You're a container. You're going to be holding in the, you're going to be holding in what?
The number.
Yes. And you are going to be declared to be in Davis. Marjurel, please mute your mic. Okay. So now, what do I need to find now?
The square root of Samuel.
Of who do I need to find the square root of?
Of Samuel, sir.
That's right, you. I need to find the square root of Samuel. Right? And now I'm going to say the square root of who? Is it number one, Samuel?
No, sir.
Samuel is what's going to be the container that's holding it?
Answer.
ANSWER, correct. Right? Samuel, let's run this program and see if it'll work. First, I got to compile it, build it. Uh-oh. Samuel, what's the problem there?
Answer is not declared as a
Right.
integer.
So every time I use a variable, I've got to declare it, right? So now I'll declare it. Let me go up here, and what am I going to say? What am I going to call this?
Answer.
Right. Please enter in a number. Let me compile it again, Samuel. Uh-oh. SQRT was not declared in the scope. Oh no, Samuel.
You have to call the math library, I think.
How you know that, Samuel?
I was using a power function for the squaring previous question.
Oh, clever, clever. Very good. Look at here, everybody. In order to use the SQRT, we need to say include CMath, right? So now I got to copy that, and put that in below include IOStream. You build it again, Samuel. Yay!
Yes,
are you happy, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
All right, give me a thumbs up, Samuel. Right. Let me compile, build, and run. Samuel, please enter in a number, Samuel. I want you to think of a number, Samuel, between 63 and 65. All of you. I want you to think of a number. It must be an integer. It must be between 63 and 65.
64.
What's the number going to be?
64.
64.
Okay, 4. Press
64.
enter. The square root of 64 is 8. Yeah. Give me a clap. Give me a clap. Give me a clap. Samuel. S. Dube. Let's run the program again. Build and run. I want you to give me a number between 99 and 101.
100, sir.
It's
Yeah.
100.
100, sir.
Hey, I was thinking of the same number.
100.
Hey, I was thinking of the same number. The square root of 100 is 10. Am I right or wrong?
Same.
Give me a clap. Give me a clap. No, man. Not with your mic that's on. I want you to give me a reaction clap. Ah, very good, very good, very good. Right. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right. Now, Samuel, I know your name is meaningful to you, right, Samuel? But we can't use Samuel over there, right? Okay, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Right. We need to have a nice call the number. Call the number number 1, right? And here we go, right? So this is what we're going to do now, Samuel. So when I say meaningful variable, I mean that instead of having the word Samuel, I need to have a variable that has a name. Would you like me to post this so that you can try it out on your own, Samuel? I got a call. Hi, Vinesh. I'm in a lecture. Right. Okay. You can only take a call if it's your wife or if it's your husband, right? That was a joke. Hey. Please. Right. Hey, Madondo. 1 second. I'm just going to finish this up, right? So let me just build it again and run the program. 100. Right, this works. Now let me go and find the square root of the number. Right. Control A, Control C. Control V. Okay. Right. Okay, Dukes. Now I need to do another function, right? Let's go back to my W3 schools. Let's go back to my W3 schools. Oh, sorry. Let me do this. Classroom. Let's go back to my classroom. INPR101. Let's have another assignment. Oh, I love these assignments. Add an assignment. Right. When should we have this due by? Oh no, man! I just did this assignment. I can't do that one. Let me do something more complicated. I'll make another assignment for the students. When should we have this due? When should this be due? Hello. Oops, did I mute all of you?
Tomorrow.
Who said what's
Tomorrow.
who? It must be due today.
Tomorrow.
Good night, sir.
Tomorrow. Monday.
Today.
Monday.
Monday.
Tomorrow.
Yes, it should be
Oh.
Monday because we can try and
Gang,
digest
gang.
before you.
Oh, okay. It's today. Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. We'll do it. Let's have it like later today, right? I'm gonna give you some time to do work as well. Right.
Let's take Monday.
Yo.
Today.
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 Oh, okay, today. Listen, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. Huh? This is university. This is university. You don't have to do it. You're under no obligation to do the work. There's the previous one, only 32 people did it. Alrighty, so input a number. Let's call the number 1. Use the square root math function to find the square root of the number. Output the number and its square root. Okay, that's cool. Preview it. Okay. Oops. Oops, back to the classroom. Oops. Untitled assignment. SRT. And when is it due? Today at 11 p.m. Save it, publish it. Okay, let's do another maths function. All right, let's do another maths function. Right. I want to do rounding up of a number, right? Samuel, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Right. I want to round off a number. If I round 2.6, what am I going to get?
If you round up, it's 3. If you round, yeah, it's 3.
3. All right, let me see this now. Let's see this thing. Round 2.6. The answer is 3. Correct. Correct, Samuel. So, Samuel, you with me, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Input. I want you to input one number. Let's call the number 1. Use the round math function to find. We can't find to round off the number to the nearest whole number. Output the number. Output the new number. How does that sound, Samuel?
Good, sir. Sorry, sir. I have a question.
What's the
For
question?
this, the square roots thing that we're doing right now, the math problem. What if we enter a number that doesn't give you a solid square root? Like
Okay.
60 equals 8.
Okay.
Inside.
All right. Don't confuse me now, right? I'm doing the round function. Why didn't I ask you that question before, Samuel?
Sorry,
You know,
sir.
I can only do one thing at a time, Samuel. I'm a guy. Guys only do one thing at a time. Samuel,
Yes, sir.
a man can only do one thing at a time. Ladies,
Yeah.
remember, Right. Samuel, can I come back to that question of yours, Samuel?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Right. Let me do the rounding up now. What's the story? So please enter in a number. And this time, Samuel, I want to enter in a fraction, right? So in order to enter in a fraction, in mathematics, we used to talk about real numbers, okay? But in C++ programming, they are going to be floating point numbers, right? Oh, they can't be both. They can't be both, right? They can't be both, right? So if I want to enter in a number with a decimal point in it, then I got to declare it to be a float. In order to calculate the rounding of the number, I need to use the maths function round, right? So I'm calling round, and it's now going to round off the number for me. And because I'm using, right, so there we go. So I can't say the square root of the number is, what am I going to say now, Samuel? Rounded, how's that? The rounded number is the rounded number of whatever is, right? I don't need two of that. Samuel, how does that look, Samuel?
Looks good, sir.
Okay, let's build it. Samuel, problem. Maduriel. Did I lose you?
No, sir. So yeah,
What's the problem there?
answer isn't declared.
Okay, so let's go declare it, right? Let's declare it also to be float for fun's sake, right? Right? Let's build it. Hey, hey, check it out, check it out. Let's run it. Please enter in a number. I'm going to enter in 2.6. Okay, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Right. You know where I got 2.6 from?
The question before, example.
Yeah, right. Let's see what happens. Samuel, Samuel, ta la 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 la. Thank you, Samuel, for the clap.
No problem, sir.
More, more, more. Come on, give me a clap. Yay! Oh, I love all these claps. I love all this. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Let me take a photo with my phone. Let me take a photo with my phone. Wait. Don't clap now, now. Wait, I'm going to tell you what to clap. Wait. Right. Okay. Now, on your mark, get steady. Clap. Clap, 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 clap. Yeah. Check out my claps. Oh, wow. Am I good? Yeah. Open up your WhatsApp. Yes, what's the question?
Sir, could you please extend the date for the previous assignment? The time.
What about time?
Could you extend it?
Oh, you wanted to do the time function in C++.
No, sir. Can you please extend the time?
For the previous assignment.
No, that's gone, over and done. It's finished in class.
Please, sir. It was challenging.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what programming is all about. Now, let me tell you how I mark my work, right? I'll give you an example. This is how I mark programming. When I mark programming, if the program works, I give you 100% straight away. No questions asked. Right? I'm just giving you an example now. So let me just mark this work here, right? Let me evaluate somebody's work. Right, let me go and mark this work. This is how I mark it. So the people that don't submit, it's all the better because then they get 0. See here, look at the marks, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. You saw that? You saw that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Let me see this one in a cube of the number. Asibonge, let's go do Asibonge's work, right? Market standard, right? Let's see Asibonge's work. Yeah, this will work, right? Yeah. Programming is very difficult. Programming is not easy. It's not for the faint-hearted.
This
I can tell you that.
Now we figured out the problem.
Right? See, Asibonge's work. Asibonge's works, right? 5 is 125.
Yo, no, 2 minutes. Say.
So I'm gonna mark Asibonge's work. Oh, where's Asibonge? Where's Asibonge? Let's mark it, man.
Submit a woman doing this.
Asibonge. All right. So I will look at this work and I'll mark it. Pay. Go back. Right. The programming, you have to do it ASAP when I ask you to do something. That's what I'm going to get you all into the groove, because you can't work on the rounding of the function after you do it 10 days later and all of that. It doesn't work. Okay, you have to be on the ball with me on my work. That is why I work Saturday, Sunday, everything I do work. Okay.
Please. The lost time.
Now everybody thinks I'm too kind. I'm only giving extension and extension. That's
Please.
why.
I'm gonna submit it now. Because I'm finished with it.
Right, so let's see. Why it's not working to mark here? I need to mark this work. Okay, we'll come back to that, right? Is there any questions related to this program on rounding up? I introduced you to a new concept over here, a float. Because I had a fraction in there, I got to use I got to declare the number to be a float, 2.6. Samuel, is there a question from you?
No, sir.
Right. What was the question about your square root now?
What if we do not enter a perfect square? What
you get
answer
there?
will return?
Okay, let's try that. Let's try that, right? Right, there's the work here. File, new. Ah, wait, Samuel, I need to keep this on here as well. Right, file, new, project, C++. Oops, Samuel, my code blocks seems to be faulty here, Samuel. Samuel, are you with me, Samuel?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
My code blocks is faulty. Just bear with me for a split second there.
Okay, sir. No problem.
just going to restart my code blocks, everybody. Sorry about this. I'm just restarting my code blocks. Samuel, I'll be there in a few seconds. All right, Samuel, are you with me, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let me just now ask the question, Samuel.
What if you enter a number that is not a perfect square?
Marjorie, you understand this question, Marjorie?
Oh Lord.
Yes, sir.
Marjorie,
Sir?
Oh,
you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
What's the question? Explain to me in your own words.
He said, what will happen if we put a number that is not a perfect square?
Give me a number that's not a perfect square, Marjorie.
5.
All right, so let's compile this thing. Let's run it. So 5 is not a perfect square, okay? Marjorie, I'm entering in 5, right?
Yes.
Please enter in a number. The square root of 5 is 2. Is that true, Marjorie?
No.
no, sir.
No, sir.
No, it's not true.
No, sir.
Right? What did it do to the remainder?
Let's cancel it.
It just cancelled it, yes. Now the reason it did that is because this is a let's go and change this to float. So it won't cancel out the. You know, I just told you about float. All right, let's see if that'll help. Madhurel, check it out, Madhurel. Madhurel,
Sir?
you told me you gave me the number 5.
Yes, sir.
The square root of 5 is 2.23607.
I think
Samuel, does that answer your question?
let's round up.
Yes, sir. It answers my question.
Good. So today's lesson was to introduce you to integers and float, and to introduce you to math functions. Okay? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Madhurel, do you like programming?
Yes, sir.
You're supposed to say no, you love programming.
No, I do
Madhurel,
like.
programming.
Yes, I do like programming.
Madhurel, you're supposed to say no, I love programming. Madhurel,
Yes, sir.
do you like programming?
No, I love programming.
Oh, very good, very good. Can we do one more? Can we do one more? It's 10 to 2. I've got 10 more minutes in the lecture. Can we do one more?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I want you to go and do it, right? I want you to go and do the other functions in maths. And you see logarithm. I don't know if you'll do that in school. You'll remember this from trigonometry. There's a whole lot of functions out here you can do. Right? All the maths functions that are available. Maybe try the absolute value. Do you know what absolute value does?
Oh.
Right? So you need to go and learn all these things, work on this, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And maybe do exercise as well. Use the correct function to print the highest value of x and y. Marjorie, what word will come in there here?
It was not variables.
Min.
Minimum of. Let's see.
Yeah, right. Show your answer. Oh no, not min, max. Hide answer. Let's do exercise 2.
Yeah, I'm just
Use the
looking
correct function to print the square root of x. What goes inside here?
Cement.
Huh?
It's cement.
C math. Okay. M-A-T-H, right?
It's cement. Sorry.
Marjorie, what goes here? Marjorie,
There. I've
what
lost
goes here?
it.
Who's it? No.
Marjorie,
Yeah.
Square
Is there?
what goes in this block?
That is square root.
Yeah, what? Spell it for me.
SQRT.
SQRT. Okay, very good. Let's do this. Let's make it a quiz, right?
SQR.
Copy. All of you open up your WhatsApp.
Stupid question.
Right. Include. Let's open up. All of you open up your. What goes inside there? Using namespace standard int main. Int x equals 64. C out. I want to find the square root of 64. Very good, very good, very good. Well done, well done. Right, get ready to put your camera on. Get ready to put your camera on. Right, everybody. Cameras on. Cameras on.
Disabled.
Cameras on.
You blocked our camera.
Camera is disabled,
Oh, sorry,
sir.
I blocked the camera.
We're unable to open it there.
Okay, okay, okay. I do that because the EFF comes into our rooms. Put your camera on. Put your camera on. Put your camera on. Samuel, put your camera on.
So my laptop doesn't have a camera.
Oh man. We'll buy one camera there. Samuel, you need to buy a camera.
The times are tough here.
I beg your pardon?
Times are
Nice.
tough here, sir. Cameras are expensive.
Okay, get ready to smile. Ah, no man, I don't like this photograph. It didn't come out nice. Let me do a new photograph. Are you smiling? Let's do a countdown, right? So that we know that when you smile, we do a nice one.
My smile is running out.
Okay. Let me just be smiling nicely now. I gotta look at the camera, right? Okay. Smile, smile. Smile, smile. Right. Copy. Open up your WhatsApp. Right. Okay, everybody. I hope you learned something today. Did you learn something today? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, we did say.
This is not
The
even the
programming is
speed.
hard. That's what we learned.
It's not hard. It's not hard. Did you learn something today?
Yes, sir.
Right. I want you to answer the quiz. Okay. All right. Goodbye, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Will I see you tomorrow?
Bye.
Bye. Will I see you tomorrow?
I go bananas as well.
Are we having lessons tomorrow?
No. No.
You're gonna miss me.
Yeah, I think so.
Will you miss me?
Yes.
No.
Sure,
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.